My video guide will provide you with instructions that will help you to get rid of the ransomware called Gatz, G-A-T-Z. This is the ransomware that belongs to the DJVU ransomware family. My video is only for educational purposes. You can clearly see that before the ransomware attack we are able to open our files without troubles, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and other data. But sadly, because of certain leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this Gatz ransomware may be easily injected into the device, and very soon users realize that they just cannot access their data anymore. Typically, people restart their computers and soon they see the negative results of the ransomware and its attack on the system. The ransomware is called Gatz because it encrypts files and appends a special Gatz extension to the file names. Then the ransomware tells the victims that they need to pay a special ransom for file recovery. But paying the ransom is not a good idea. This does not guarantee the file restoration. If you pay the ransom, you may just waste your money. Don't pay it. We recommend you to remove this ransomware immediately with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the page, the official website, combocleaner.com. Download the program, install the software, and then start carefully researching your computer. Combo Cleaner will help you to detect and eliminate all other threats which could possibly still remain on the system. Click on Start Scan button. The program is initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. Then the scanning will begin, and at the end of the scanning you will see the summary of all the threats which were revealed on the system. Combo Cleaner has got anti-ransomware feature which allows you to add one or several folders that would always be protected against ransomware attacks. But Combo Cleaner doesn't decrypt files. It helps to remove this ransomware and to protect the data, but it does not decrypt files. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of the threats. You will be able to know their locations. Consider upgrading to premium license as the best solution for getting your data always protected.